Welcome to Know Not Know, where you'll find everything you need to know for your trip, including any current travel restrictions, hotspot areas, entry requirements, and safety precautions. For the best user experience, we recommend using Know Not Know on your desktop or laptop. A mobile-friendly version will be available soon. To use Know Not Know, start by entering your origin address, followed by your destination. This can be a hotel, city, suburb, or an actual address. Then simply enter your trip departure and return dates, followed by Let's Go. From here, you will start to see all of the information around your trip start to unfold. This will include such information as your trip information. You'll see the entry requirements, followed by general rules and policies, where you'll be able to see all of the rules and regulations of what is required. You can also go to My Destination and view information around the LGAs and hotspots. If you notice an area that is red or amber, simply click on that area and you'll be able to view the statistics. You can also click on Go to My Hotspots, click on a hotspot, and you'll be able to see all the details pertaining to that particular hotspot. You can also follow this same procedure for your origin. If you'd like to stay in the know around your trip, simply register to the lower left of your screen and receive alerts when your travel pathway changes. If you'd like to know more about Know Not Know, simply follow the links at the top of your page and you'll learn more about everything we have to offer. We hope you enjoy using Know Not Know and find it easy to understand all the rules and regulations along your trip pathway, ensuring your journey is as stress-free as possible.